Whoa. I think that was Earthquake. That's kind of cool. Anyways, so like just little aftershock folks. Not going to be alarmed about. Everybody just remain calm and stay in their seats. Turn all the other system. Oh my gosh. Oh no, part 3. Okay, well on the bright side, you get a great view of the sun above us, right? So, silver lining. You gotta really go see it. The system has crashed. Can't get the doors open. How is it even possible for there to be a train inside a soundstage?